Okay, number 14 says use the table of values for the quadratic function below to determine between which two x's values f of x will have a 0. So we're going to look at the table, and f of x will have a 0 in there somewhere. The question is, where is it going to fall? Is it going to fall between 2 and 5? Is it going to fall between 5 and 8? Is it going to fall between 8 and 11? Or between 11 and 14? Where is the 0 going to fall? It's going to fall somewhere in this area here. So it's going to fall between the 5 and the 8. How do I know the 0 is going to fall right in this area here? Well, isn't 0 between negative 5 and 10? So that's how I know. It's going to be between the negative and the positive number. So it's going to fall between 5 and 8. And the last one, number 15. We got to know some rules of exponents here. So I'm going to start with this one. I need to take this negative 3 right here and multiply with all the other exponents inside the parentheses. Here we go. We're going to have x to the negative 6, y to the negative third, and y to the negative 6. All I did was take all the exponents and multiply them with the negative 3. I'm going to do the same thing with that other one. I'm going to take all the exponents and multiply them with the 2. But keep in mind, I'm also going to need to square this 3 that's in front here. So starting with that 3, if I square it, that's now going to give me a 9. X to the negative 4, y squared, y to the negative 4. All I did was take this 2 right here and multiplied all the exponents. Now I'm going to simplify here. I'm going to get this out of the way. Right here I can take these two exponents because they're both y's, they have the same base, and I can subtract those. So if I do a negative 3 minus a negative 6, negative 3 minus a negative 6 is what, Lorenzo? Negative 3 minus a negative 6. Nope. Negative 3 minus a negative 6. Put it in your calculator. Positive or negative 3? Positive 3. Let's do the same thing over here with this one. We got 9x to the negative 4. If I take these two exponents right here and subtract 2 minus a negative 4. What's 2 minus a negative 4? Positive what? Nope. 2 minus a negative 4 is a 6. Getting closer here. Now we're going to take those two and we're going to multiply them together. So we're going to have 9.
Wouldn't it be like divide, not right next to each other?
Well, but remember, we are dividing. But the rule says when you divide, you subtract the exponents. Okay. So it's y squared divided by y to the negative 4. So the rule says you subtract the exponents.
No, I meant like on top of each other because they're dividing because the x negative.
Are you talking about the x or the y's?
Like, wouldn't it be something like this?
No, because remember, we already subtracted the exponents. We did 2 minus a negative 4, which now gives us just a positive 6. So we don't have 2 y's anymore, we just have 1 y. Now we're going to multiply these two together, and because we're multiplying instead of subtracting the exponents, now we're going to add. So we're going to have 9x to the, what do you get when you add a negative 6 plus a negative 4? Negative 10. What do you get when you add the 3 and the 6? 3 and 6 added together to give us a 9. However, can I have answers with negative exponents? No. So we're going to fix that real quick here. The 9 is okay. Y to the 9th is okay. It's the x to the negative 10th that we have to fix. And that x to the negative 10th is coming down to the bottom so that we can have a positive exponent. So the final answer for number 15 should be 9y to the 9th over x to the 10th power. Okay?